Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making my Halloween costume, and we're already a little way through, but yeah, I'm going to be the Fortnite bush. So let's just get started. So basically, we bought a shit ton of mesh from Hobby Lobby, and we cut the head so it like drapes over my head, and now we're just gonna glue a whole bunch of bushes on it. I got a green bodysuit, cut it.
Gluing bushes on it?
I mean gluing leaves on it. And then I got like a green bodysuit, and I'm gonna wear that. And then we cut like the arms and legs off, and so there's gonna be like a green base, and then I'm gonna be one of the Fortnite characters underneath it, like a no skin character. So I got like little gloves, and then what else do I have? Oh, I got bought a pinata too.
You got that face paint stuff.
And I got the face paint. She has little like war stripes. She has like a red one and then a black one. She's going way faster than I am. This is Brittany, by the way.
I've been
She's
been
been
in
in
videos.
Yeah, she's been in the one. Can you give me some glue, please? I'm running out. Okay. She was in. I'll tag the videos down below that she was in. She was in Who Knows Me Better against her and my brother.
Also dyed your hair.
And she dyed my hair blue. Blue. It was blue. So those will be down below if you guys want to watch them.
Oh shit! Hold on, now I'm stuck. Oh god! Damn!
Oh my god! I got a shit ton of like leaves. Like it's supposed to be 500, but I did something bad, and so I think we have 2,000.
Oh my god! What the fuck is wrong with you? Jesus Christ!
I'm sorry. I just gotta.
You just come at me like that.
It just came out.
Jesus.
Yeah. Don't touch my leaves.
I thought of burning you, just branding you.
What we used to do is Hannah and I used to put it on a piece of paper, like hot ass glue, like a big ass glob, and just slap it on our hands. It burned. Felt really good. It's fun.
You like the pain?
Mm-hmm. At least I felt pain.
Back when you felt anything.
I know you would not do that, but oh my god. Yes! Does it look good? You guys? So I think it turned out pretty good. Pretty lit. Oh. The sides are tied now, so we have little armholes, and then I guess tomorrow we will see what it actually looks like. So I wasn't able to film me actually dressing, but I have this bodysuit on, and then I have my leggings and my combat boots, and then the rest of my stuff is here. So she has face paint, so that's what we're gonna do. So what she did was she has on her right side, she has red and then black. So I have these two things and I'm gonna put it on just one side. I don't care if it looks like perfect because I'm in fucking war with Fortnite. Here's the black. Now for the red. Okay. Fuck it. I don't really care if it looks like that great because like I said, it's a joke costume. And look, Brittany got these little like fingernails. Sorry, this hand's wet. And so I put cats and bats. Cute. And then we've got these. She's wearing these. We have this. So this is what the entire thing looks like. I'm so excited and everyone should be here soon, so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let me know how you think my Fortnite costume is, and if you recreate it, definitely let me know and tag me on Instagram or whatever. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.